Here's a quick look at how to play Rape Me by Nirvana. This song is actually played in E flat standard tuning, but we'll be looking at it in standard tuning today so you can get started straight away. This song starts with 3 muted hits on the guitar, so we'll just rest our left hand on the guitar and don't apply any pressure. We've got 1, 2, 3, all down strums. We go to an A power chord, open A string, first finger bar on the second fret of the D and G strings. I'm going to hit down twice, then we're going to have 3 muted hits, then we're going to go to a C power chord. First finger, 3rd fret of the A, 3rd finger, 5th fret of the D, and pinky finger on the 5th fret of the G string. I'm going to hit that down twice as well. I'm going to catch the E and A open as we go to the next chord. So we have the 3 muted hits, A twice, then the 3 mute, then the C power chord, open E and A as we change. We go to an E power chord next, so we've got open E, 2nd fret on A, 2nd fret on the D, you can use the first finger bar again, down twice, 3 mutes, we go to a G power chord, which is the same as our C power chord, but up on the low E string at the 3rd fret, A string at the 5th fret, and D string at the 5th fret. 2 hits down, catch E and A open as we go through the riff again. So just that second part from the E power chord, we've got E, 3 mutes, G down twice, catch the open E and A as we go back through the riff. The whole thing, we've got A, mute, 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 C, C, open, and then E, mute, 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 G, G, open. The second riff in the song uses exactly the same chords as the first riff, we just play it differently. Start off with that A power chord, we hit the A string open, let's strum down on the D and G strings at the 2nd fret, and play open A, go to our C power chord, we've got 3rd fret there on the A string, so we're going to play 5th fret on the D, then 5th fret on the D and G together, then back to 5th fret on the D, so. Then we go to our E minor chord and we've got exactly the same pattern. So open E, strum across the 2nd fret on the A and D, back to the low E. Grab the 3rd fret on the low E and now we're into our G power chord shape. We hit 5 on the A, then 5 on the D and A together, back to 5 on the A. Together, A, C, E, G, just before we go into the mid-8, there's this little riff. So it's a E, chord strum, low E, then to your G power chord, down, 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 down. Bridge in the song's played with power chord on the 4th fret of the A string, a C sharp power chord. We're going to play down, 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 up. Then we go to A, down, down, up. Then we've got this little riff. 3, 2, 1, open. So. To come out of that riff, we play an F power chord, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 slide up to that G, down, up, down, up, down, 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 E power chord to finish. So F, G, through the main riff. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.